How to create Gmail ID in a new phone. So if you want to create a Gmail ID in a new phone, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After having an internet connection, you need to open up your Gmail, and it may take you to the sign in option. But in my case, I've already signed in, so I don't have that sign in option. I'll just simply go and log out and then go with the sign in section. Now it will take you to this kind of interface on your mail. So you just need to simply go with Google, which is on the first. Verify if it's you or not that's trying to create a Gmail ID. Now you need to go with create account, which is on the left side, and you can go with your personal use or for your work or your business. So I'll go with the personal use. Now enter your first and last name, go with next, and go with month, day and year, and select your gender. After that, go with next. Now enter your username, go with next again. Now create your password. So make sure that you've created a strong password, and after creating your password, your account will be created, and you need to go with the verification section. So it will ask you to enter your your phone number. You need to just enter your phone number, and after entering your phone number, it will ask you for the verification code which you've received on the SMS. And after entering the verification code, you'll be verified and you'll be able to use your email ID. So in this way, you'll be able to create a Gmail ID on your new phone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.